Well, if you launch it, this is how it will look like. Okay, this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like. All right, so you open it. Please, if you don't have email account, try to get one. So here is it. Okay, when you open it, this is how you are going to see it. So all these emails I've gotten blog accounts. All these ones I have blog account in them. So except this one, so let me try using that one. So I'll click on this email. So when you open your email with this blogger account, this is how it is going to be. Create account. Okay, create account. You click on it. Now they are asking you of blog name. Now remember in the part one I told you of the niche. So the niche is now the first point over here, the main area you want to focus on. Okay, so you can name it maybe Godmark Digital Services, or you can say general news page or general news. So over here you need to get a suitable account, account name which the people would cherish a lot. Okay, you need to get something of that sort. Okay, so I'll write Godmark Digital Services. Okay, so Godmark Digital Services. Okay, so I go to next. I move to next. So the URL over here, you enter the same name, but here you don't need to leave a space. Okay, don't leave space. So here you do something like Godmark Digital Services. So you have to remove the spaces from there. Okay, so Godmark digital services. Here you can do something like you can bring dot in between them, the digital and then the services dot blogspot. Okay, well, it is the point, the dot are not considered, so just since the dot are not considered, you take them out. Okay, so here you now move to next. Okay, don't leave space over here, please. Don't leave space over here or in your niche names. This is Godmark Digital Services. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me try putting some dashes over there if it will be considered. Okay, so something like this dash, this one, it is not considered. It is not considered. Okay, let me continue. So you have to get a suitable name for your account. So here is mine, Godmark Digital Services. So let's continue. Next. Okay, the name you want it to appear on the blog. Okay, you need to get the name for it. So I can write something like Godmark. So you just enter Godmark Digital Services. Okay, so Godmark Digital Services will be talking about digital products, but not of that one per se. You can still create different pages under it. Okay, different categories. Okay, so you go to next. We move to next. Okay. Okay, you can see. Okay. Boom, well, that is it. This is where I want merge. You can see it. So published, we have draft and then schedule. Okay, the schedule over here is talking about maybe tomorrow you want to publish something, so you can put it there now and then put time and date on it. As soon as the time bounces, it will come to publish. Okay, then we have draft. Maybe you are creating something and you have not finished yet, so you can save it to draft. Later on, you come and edit and continue. So publish, we don't have anything there. Okay, so now we move to this side here. Click on it. Okay, the title of your post. What is the title? So over here, you can talk about your main business. Okay, so we have the title over here. Then, what are you writing? This is very important. What you are writing, it should be well versed to the people. At least whatever they will read over here, they should understand what they are reading. Okay, yeah. Okay, so down here you can also see label. Okay, labels. So the labels over here talks about the words that differentiate one post from another. Okay, so maybe I want to write something about this post. Okay, or this page. What am I coming to post? What I'm coming to post is all about Godmark Digital Services. Okay, so I just write the title, Godmark Digital Services. So what is Godmark about? You click on this one, start creating your blog. Okay, all right. So what is Godmark Digital Services? So you are coming to tell the people the main informations behind your title, Godmark Digital Services. So what do you have there? What do you do? So you write details of it here. Okay, so we click on it. Now this is your worksheet. Okay, let's click on it to start. So Godmark Digital Services is an individual business base. Okay, the page or the business entity mainly focused on digital services or products. Okay, you get it. So you can leave space. I thought of this one yesterday. I mean the other time in the part one. Okay, so you leave a space. Okay, so you continue. For instance, they deal in graphic designing or design works, ebook writing, blogging, website propounding. Then we have different kinds of them. Okay, so let's take it that you finish with your post. Please always remember that the more you put pictures in it, it makes it so nice. So remember, at the first paragraph like this, you can decide to bring one picture over here. How will I bring the picture? Look at it here. We have two buttons. This one will send you to your gallery, and this one is to take a picture. Okay, so click on this one. If you have pictures already, click on this. If you want to take picture, click on this. So I'm clicking on this one. I have pictures already. But remember, this sign, the cursor should be around here where you want to put the picture. Okay, so I want it around here, so I click there. You see, then I leave space. Okay, now let me add my picture. Now I can get it over here. That is where my picture will be. Okay. All right, now you can see it has brought me back to my page. Okay, so what should I do? I have to take some pictures over here, and then okay, let me see something here. Okay, let's take it that this is what I've taken out there, but I don't want this one. What should I do? Let me delete it. So let me delete. Yeah, let me go back there and open it. I want to pick some picture. Okay, so I gotta take some picture here. Godmark Digital Services. Let me see. Other pages. Something like okay, I have something like this. So creating a blog page. Okay. Now you can see it. Okay. I have gotten it so good. So that is how it looks like. So let's take it that you have finished. Please, you need to add some labels. Okay. You need to add some labels. So we go to this side, we click on done. But before then, always remember, you can write the name of the blog there. Okay, Godmark Digital Services dot blog spot .com. So this is your site name. Okay, always remember. So Digital Services .blogspot.com. So this is your website name. Okay, this is your website name. Okay, here you can give it a color. So something like this. Click on this, it will make it very deep for you. After you highlight it, you can see it. So that is how it is. Okay, this is how it is. All right, so after this, you then move to the next point. So you can write something on top like here, like this page is powered by Godmark Digital Services. Okay, so something like this, simple like this. Okay, now we save it. Okay, now over here you can see this sign. If you click on this sign, it means you are going to publish it. It is going to be live, and then you will be provided with a link. Okay, so let's click on it. Now you can see this will publish your post to godmarkdigitalservices.blogspot.com. That is your website name. You've gotten your blogger link, so you publish. Say public. You click on it. Okay, it is publishing. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's see. Boom. You can see it there, down there. Okay, so my blog is ready. So I can click on it to open and read what I already posted there. Okay, it is loading. All right. So over here you can add the labels. Okay, the labels. What are the labels? What did you write about? Those things, those stuff that you've written something about. Okay, you can write labels like graphic designing, ebook, writing, blogging, website, propounding, and maybe like teaching. Okay, so these ones will all appear in the post. Now we can see something down here. Okay, we can see something down here. It says publish now, then you say yes. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we go to the last point. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we move to the last point. We publish it. After entering the labels, you go to enter, then publish. Okay, let's see how it appears there. Can you see the labels now? Blogging, ebook writing, graphic designing, and then so. Okay, so that is how it is. That is how it is. Alright, so this is all about it. Please, to get your link, you go to this side, click on it. Now copy the link. You can copy the link. Copied. So copied. Now you can put this one on any other social media. Okay, so something like Facebook, wherever, you just drop it there and you will get it so quick. Okay, so this is all about it. So you have to keep on repeating this same thing. Okay, keep on repeating it at least every day. But let me show you something here. To get more information about what you are writing about, please, you can read more articles online. If you get an article that you think that people will read, or you can just copy it and then rewrite it. You can change some of the words in it, okay? And then you do that. But in case you copy something and you want to rewrite it, you can use Spinboat, okay? You can use Spinboat. Okay? You can use Spinboat, okay? Spinboat. Just Google it and you will get it, okay? That is how it is. Spinboat, to rewrite your text. After you rewrite it, then you copy it and come and paste it into your blog. Then you add pictures to it. So you keep on doing this